Welcome back to my channel. I'm Carol Isaac. Be fearless, be shameless, and create your own environment. I did a video about journalists, doctors, and police officers. But I also feel that there's a group of people that you also need to recognize and appreciate. And these are the fathers and even mothers who are always out there making sure there's food on the table. We really appreciate you. It doesn't matter where you are, which department you are in, where you are working from. Maybe you're in an office, you are in the market, you are in the Juakali, you are a farmer, but every morning you're waking up, going to your place of work, making sure that you're working, and by the time the curfew is on, you are at home, making sure that your children doesn't sleep hungry, making sure that everything goes on well. We recently saw the Kenya Power men who hung on live electric lines. They are really risking their lives to make sure that as a nation, we are all lit up. We really so much appreciate you guys. We appreciate you, fathers. Thank you so much. Even Isaac, we appreciate you so much for making sure there's food on the table. And all other men who are making sure there's food on the table, we appreciate you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Our children are not going hungry because you're giving yourself to make sure that there's food on the table. Thank you, mothers who are working tirelessly, those who are still going to work, making sure there's food on the table. There are other mothers who are at home. You are taking care of your families, taking care of your children. You are the teacher now. To an extent, you are the doctors. We really appreciate you so much. I understand sometimes the challenges that you go through, taking care of 1, 2, 3 children. It's not easy, but you're doing it bravely and with a lot of love. We appreciate you so much. You are loved and appreciated. Even if nobody comes to tell you and patting you at the back, you're doing a good job. Feel loved and appreciated. Thank you so much. You all guys are making sure that things are moving on smoothly and that the nation is being fed every day. The other people who are also donating stuff, making sure that those people who are not able to feed themselves, they are fed. Thank you so much. You might be doing something small, but that thing small you are doing is really a great thing to the person that you are doing it to. Thank you so much. You all doing a great job, an amazing job. Let's keep supporting one another. Let's keep encouraging one another. We are living in trying moments, yes, but we can trust. We can accommodate one another by encouraging one another. Husbands, encourage your wives. Wives, encourage your husbands. If nowadays your husband doesn't come with a kilo of meat like the way he used to do, please don't bang the door at him. He's trying, he's making sure there's food on the table. So if you don't eat, you're not taking meat every day as you used to, please thank God that there's food on the table. Let's keep appreciating one another. We can see the effort that they are doing, making sure that everyone is fed, being in a peaceful environment. Let's support one another. There's been a rise in domestic violence. Please, let's understand one another. We are all living in challenging times, but we can uphold one another. We can love one another. Let's show our children that we can survive through this, because whatever we do, we are passing on to our children. Whatever we do does not only affect us, but it's happening and it's affecting our children. In the subconscious mind of children, they're able to see, because children are good observers. So please, whatever you are doing, do it out of love. Don't harass one another. The money is not enough. What are you doing? Let's be able to accommodate one another, because there are challenges. These challenges are not only here, they're not only in Kenya, but they are across the globe. So please don't kill one another. Accommodate one another. Be patient with one another. Better days are coming. And I assure you, when you're able to support one another, great things will happen. And the word of God says that where there is a unity, God commands a blessing. So when there's unity in your home, God is going to command a blessing. Thank you so much. And may your families be safe, stay protected as you go out and coming back. May the Lord be together with you. Thank you so much. I love you. You are great men and great women, and you make our nation complete because of how you giving yourself even to the service, even by feeding your family. It's such a great honor that you're giving, because when a family is broken, the society is broken, the nation is broken. But when the family is united, the society is united, the church is united, then we build a strong and a better nation. Thank you so much. God bless you.